welcome back. Well, if there's any bit of physics that my students absolutely love and it's guaranteed to entertain, it's the physics of magnetism. We all know about magnets. These are some lodestones, sort of original Earth magnets with bits of iron filings sticking to them, and probably what resulted in magnetism being first detected by humans. But there's a slightly different experiment that I like to do with my pupils. I've got two magnets out of loudspeakers here, and they have a sort of circular shape, and the poles are on the top and on the bottom of these. And what I've done is I've got two of them, and you can either put them in a glass, like a sleeve of beer glass, or technician very kindly made a stand for me. So I'm going to put that one on there and put the other one on top and have the poles north to north, shall we say, and it's probably no surprise that they repel each other. I'll just put the lid on, but it's quite nice that they hover. A lot of science in that, a lot of physics. You might be thinking of maglev trains and things like that. But then I asked them, of course, what would happen if I turn it over? So I'm going to invert the whole thing. Do the poles reverse? Does one magnet's polarity reverse? And of course, if you turn it over, more of the same. Because you've still got two north poles facing each other. But it's a rather nice little experiment, and if you've got the right equipment with you, and on a good day you can put these two in a glass, but it's more difficult to turn a glass upside down. But of course it's not the wooden bar that actually makes them hover. If they were stronger magnets, of course this would hover higher, and you can see the effect of moving them closer and further away from each other. So I might leave you with the thought, what's happening with the energy here? In other words, where do the magnets get the energy from to spring back again, and how the energy conversions happen? It's quite an interesting process. But you can see here these are permanent magnets, and they're quite fun. You can imagine them being used for suspension systems or something like that, and of course electromagnetically with things like maglev trains. But they never cease to impress magnets, and I've always enjoyed playing with these two. So I'll show you another experiment another time, and thanks for watching.